For us, we didn't know anything about Down syndrome, had no idea what was ahead of us. So, of course, a lot of fear. Is she gonna talk? Is she gonna walk? Just all these things going through my head. And then I couldn't tell anybody because I was scared and I didn't know what people would say or think. I didn't know how to handle it. And then when they brought Ava back, they put her in my arms and all that went away. No worries. It's just little Ava.